assets, liabilities, and net assets. If you've ever looked at a balance sheet and gone, what is this? This one's for you. Assets are what you own. That includes things like cash in the bank, a costume you bought, or a laptop for editing. Liabilities are what you owe. Credit card balances, unpaid invoices, reimbursements, those all count. Net assets, sometimes called equity, is what you have left over once you subtract what you owe from what you own. It's what you'd be walking away with if you cashed out today. Not everybody keeps track of these things closely, but if you do, you get a much more accurate picture of how you're really doing. Having only a little cash in the bank feels different when you have a big grant payment on the way versus having the same small balance with nothing coming in. For example, imagine you have $2,000 in the bank, $500 on a credit card, and a $5,000 grant payment that has been awarded but hasn't yet arrived. If you only looked at the cash, you'd think you're broke. But factoring in liability and that receivable grant, your actual position is much stronger. This helps you, your board, your funders, or collaborators understand how stable your org or project really is.